Hey everyone, what's up? It's Icris Studio here, and today in this video, I'm going to show you a really good project that I came up with. So I coded this project during a hackathon session, and personally, I like this project a lot. So I'm creating this video to show you that project and give you some idea about like what am I going to do. All right, so let's just start with a simple story time. All right, so now imagine that you are sitting on a top floor of a busy restaurant and you are so hungry and there's no waiter in your room. So in the big restaurant you need to just you need to look at the menu and pick up the telephone and call towards the kitchen, and you will say, hello, I need this, and they will say, okay, we'll get back to you. And then you don't know like at what time your order will be there, and all you can do is just wait, and I know that's frustrating. So looking at that problem, I came up with a solution called DineXpress. All right, so now I have split the screen. So this is for the admin panel and this is for the client mobile panel. Okay, so let me just show you the dashboard page. All right, so I'm currently logged in, but this form is still showing. I don't know why. So let me just go towards the dashboard and you will see the restaurant dashboard right over here. How many order you got today and what's the today's revenue, and all of the chart will be displayed right over here. Your top performing items and other stuff. Your recent activities, like they are just overflowing because like this thing is still on development phase. Okay, so there will be a lot I'm planning to add a lot of feature, but currently we have only this. So let me just show you how it works. So there's a section called tables, from where you can add number of table that is in your restaurant, and then you can just show the QR code or print the QR code of that specific table. All right, so the logic is there will be a table token assigned for each table, and based on that table token, we will book the table for the customer. So now if you scan this QR code, then you will then it will redirect you towards the table booking page. Uh, so right now I'm not using my mobile, so I'll just use the URL to do that. Okay, so on the URL, I'll just write table slash and then the table code. Right now, I'll just book the table number one. So the code is ABCD. So I'll just put this and I'll just hit enter. And then you can see it is fetching the table details. And here you can see the table number one is free and it is asking me for the number of guests. So let me just write two and click on book table. Then you can see the table is like booked. Now, when someone try to scan that, then it will like say the table is already booked, and the customer will be redirected towards the menu section on his mobile device. And now if you want to change the table, then you can do that, but the table changing feature is only allowed for like every 30 minutes. Okay, so it will show you a list of available tables. So let me just go back to the menu, and here you can see we have offers as well. The Thursday special offer is going on, and we will get 10% off by using the discount code free. And that can be done through the admin panel called discounts. So when you go on discount, then you will see two forms, offer and discount. So right now Thursday special offer is going on. So if I just turn this off, then it will disappear from the menu. If I turn it on, then it will be back. I can create a lot of discount codes and create an offer based on the scheme of the restaurant. And it helps to reduce the cost of printing pamphlets or offer cards as from the company side. So yeah, this is like a really cool feature and I liked it so much. All right. So now you are on the menu, then you will see all of the items. So here we'll add more category like populars and other stuff. But just now we are developing it, so there is no more categories. So I'll just add a burger. I'll just add two burger and a Coke, and yeah, that's it. So I'll just go on my cart now, and once I'm here, I can see all the menu items and their price and the discount code. So right now on the menu, you can see the discount code. If we use free, then we'll get 10% off. So let me just use the code free and click on apply. All right, there we go. We got 10% discount on our order. Okay, so now I'll just click on place order. Then it will redirect us towards the status page. And here in the admin panel, there's a page called order status from where we can check the different order. So on the pending session, I just received this order, burger 2 and Coke 1. So I'll just set this status to receive from admin side, and the client can actually look at the status through their phone. So they like, so when you just give them order, then you can see all the status through your phone, like, oh, my order is being received, or it's preparing, like that. So you can track your order real time. And once it is on receipt, I'll just set it to serving now. All right. So when it is in serving now, then you will get the order, you will eat, and you're done. Okay. After that, you will go towards the counter and you will pay the bill. While paying the bill, the admin will click on complete, and here he will ask for your details, customer name, customer phone number, and the method of payment, cash or digital. So you can enter customer name, phone number. It's optional, and you can just click on complete order. So for the demo purpose, let me just write Sophia, and I'll just give it the number 111, and I'll just click on complete order. Then you can see the order has been completed, and here we are asking for a review, or you can skip. That's totally upon you. So I'll just click on leave a review, and here I'll just give some review. Service is great and overall experience, and I'll just do nice. And I'll click on submit feedback. Then our feedback has successfully been submitted, and I'll just close this. Then it will redirect me towards a thank you page. See how great it is. And the customer data is right over here on our customer insight. You can see the table number 1 has give us the feedback of nice, and you can see total customer, average order value, and all the details right over here. And you can see yeah, Sophia right over here. Okay, so I made a spelling mistake, and you can see, like, check all the details. Okay, and yeah, this is the customer password. And remember, we have just created invoice, while like some customer wants invoice, right? We have just created invoice also through this order management page. When we complete order, then the invoice is created. So when so let me go towards the invoice page. Yeah, in the invoice page, all the invoice has been like saved right like this, and you can search them through the customer name. So let me search. Here you can see the invoice name. If you like remove this, then you will see Sophia invoiced. Okay, I can just directly print the invoice from here, or I can just edit the invoice, and that's really a great feature. And that's the customer page. And you might be wondering, what if I scan the QR code, and when I go, like when I'm outside the restaurant, then I'll just send bulk order or spam orders just to give trouble to the restaurant? You might be wondering like that, but we have come up with a solution for that. So when you pay the when you pay the bill, and when you completed everything on the tables, the admin will free your table. So when the admin free your table, then you will be logged out from that section. And you might be wondering, what if I click the QR code image, and when I go on home, and then I'll scan that? For that, we have also some solution, but we haven't implemented that. So we can just do MAC address filtering or something like that, or we can just host the entire application on the local network, so that we will only accept the we will only show this application to the people who are connected on that network. And for that, on the QR code, we will add network data as well. So when customer scans the QR code, first we will ask him to join our network, and then only we will direct him towards the page. So let me show you another cool feature. Okay, so you have seen dashboard. Okay, that's pretty cool, and then on the menu management, you can create or like add new menus. You can edit the menus, you can delete the menu, and it's like super amazing and smooth. So let me just go on full screen. Okay, so you can just add menu and do all of the stuff, create new categories and other stuff. Okay, so after that, you have seen the order management section and invoice section as well. And let's move towards our analytics system. And the analytics is like super crazy. It will show you some AI power insight, and it will show you like uh, if you do some filtration, then it will see increase staffing during 10 a.m., which is the peak hour of our restaurant, and you can do all time. So you can see high cancellation rate and other stuff is there, and you can see the specific data of specific item as well. And now let us move towards the admin dashboard. So you have your total revenue of all time. Let me just do, okay, all time. And the average order value is 849. We received total 32 orders. And then here you can see order status, how many orders are completed, how many are pending, how many are canceled, and the cancellation rate. And here you can see payment breakdown, what like cash payment or digital payment, and based on the analysis, it will suggest you revenue for next forecast. Right now, this month we have created 80 like $27,000. So in the next month, we need to hit the $29,000 goal, and this is calculated according to the growth and the database of the company of the restaurant. And if you put your labor cost and other stuff right over here, then you will see your profit margin right here. And then here's the total revenue bar, and you can see on September 2, our revenue was $16,000 and it just dropped casually. And you can compare both items, and this is quite helpful. Suppose you are selling two drinks, Coke and ice cream, then you can just filter them, and you can give order based on that. Like if people are choosing Coke, then you can just decrease the order of Sprite and increase the order of Coke. You can do that, and it will help a business to grow. It will help restaurant a lot. Okay, so you can just compare pizza, I mean burger and pizza, and then you can see people are choosing burger, so you can increase burger, and you can promote burger more, or like that, you know. And here we have like category performance. So our food is performing well, so we should focus on food item. We should add more food item like that. And here you can see the peak hours of our restaurant, and it is like at 3 p.m. like overall. So if I do today, then it will be at 10 a.m. So you can see at the 3 a.m. our restaurant is mostly occupied at 3 a.m. and at 10 a.m. You see, and here we can see the table performance, table number one, how many order, how many revenue, all the data and customer segment, and all the like in which like in what day our restaurant is performing top notch. Let's see, and you can see all the orders, the customer name and the customer like day, total, status, and you can print them or view them like this. Okay, and yeah, you saw the tables and the discounts and customer insight, and yeah, that's it. And I'm planning to integrate more like inventory management and other AI power insight, customer loyalty, and many other things, which will help business to grow more like smoothly. So let me know what you think on this project, and I would love your suggestion as well. Let me know your honest review on this application. And yeah, that's it for today. Hope you like this application and like this video. And I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.